Get ready to learn DaVinci Resolve as a professional color grading artist for game artists, going through all kinds of color grading techniques, matching and references, really understanding the different tools and layers and techniques and mask and the system that goes into DaVinci to alter your images or improve your images. We're gonna go through white balancings and different knowledge about this to make sure that you also can improve as a photographer. That is where we go into exposure as well to make sure you improve your Unreal Engine and the future Unity engine knowledge of exposure when you add it post-processing. How does it actually impact your image and what does it actually mean? We're gonna make sure you understand layers, parallel mixes, what makes it different, so you know the best practices and workflow tips as well. Furthermore, we will obviously focus on Photoshop LUT workflow, pros, mistakes, Unreal LUT workflow, DaVinci export, import, Unreal export, import, different settings, things to be aware of so you really can understand and use what you need. And understanding color space and color management so you can really improve. And then we're gonna add this knowledge into Unity eventually as well.